Hi everyone, myself K. Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology, Tiruchengood. I'm going to discuss about Advanced Web Development. The subject code is 61CS401. Unit 1, Advanced JavaScript. JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level interpreted client-side scripting language. It is used to make web pages interactive and dynamic. It works along with HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. Is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It describes the structure of the web page and it consists of series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. And CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. With the help of HTML and CSS, we can build modern web applications. JavaScript enables dynamic content updates, user interaction handling, form validation, and browser control. Characteristics of the JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. It can calculate, manipulate, and validate data. It can update and change both HTML and CSS. The main characteristics of JavaScript are interpret language, that means no compilation required, event-driven programming model, loosely typed language, platform independent, case sensitive, integrated with HTML and CSS. JavaScript enhances static web page into responsive applications. Role of JavaScript in web development. JavaScript acts as the logical layer in the web applications. HTML describes the structure of the web page. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen. JavaScript describes the behavior of the website. It enables real-time validations, dynamic UI manipulations, interactive component. This image shows the three core technology of the web development and their roles. HTML is used to create the structure of the web page. It defines elements like heading, paragraph, buttons, forms and image. CSS is used to style and design of the web page. It controls colors, fonts, layout, spacing and responsive design. And JavaScript is used to add logic and interactivity. It handles buttons, form validations, dynamic UI changes, real-time updates. For example, making the web page interactivity. JavaScript execution environment. It is the environment inside a web browser that loads HTML, creates DOM, and executes JavaScript using a JavaScript engine. JavaScript runs inside the browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge. Each browser has its own JavaScript engine. What is JavaScript engine? JavaScript engine is responsible for parsing and executing JavaScript code. For example, V8 used by the Chrome and Edge. SpiderMonkey, it is used by the Firefox. The execution steps. First, HTML loaded. Browser loads the HTML file. Second, JavaScript parsed. JavaScript code is read and checked for errors. Third step, DOM created. Browser converts HTML into DOM. DOM means document object model. DOM allows JavaScript to access and change the element. Fourth step is script executed. JavaScript engine runs the code line by line. UI updates, events, validation happens here. Introduction to DOM. What is DOM? DOM is a document object model, is a programming interface for HTML documents. It represents the document as a tree of nodes, each HTML element as an object. DOM allows JavaScript to access, modify, delete and add elements dynamically. Importance of DOM model. The DOM model enables dynamic content modification, dynamic style manipulation, event handling, interactive web pages. Without DOM, web page remain static. DOM structure and nodes. DOM consists of different types of nodes: document node, element node, text node, attribute node. DOM hierarchy follows as a parent-child relationship. This image explains the DOM hierarchy. How HTML is converted into a tree like structure called DOM. DOM means document object model. Is a tree structure created by the browser from HTML. JavaScript uses the DOM to access, modify, add or remove HTML elements. DOM accessing methods. JavaScript provides various methods to access DOM elements. Get element by ID, get element by class name, get element by tag name, query selector. These methods allow to precise control over the page elements. Example program for get element by ID. With the help of get element by ID selector, we can get the element from the HTML. This is the output for previously discussed slide program. DOM manipulation concepts. DOM manipulation includes changing content, modifying attributes, altering styles, creating and removing elements. This enables dynamic user interfaces without reloading the page. Event handling in JavaScript. An event is an action performed by the user or browser. Example, mouse click, key press, page load, form submissions. Event handling enables JavaScript to respond to the user interaction. Types of events. Events are classified as mouse events, keyboard events, form events, and Windows event. Each event triggers as a corresponding event handler function. Event handling method. JavaScript supports inline event handling, traditional event handling, and add event listener model. Modern applications prefer separation of structure and behavior. Built-in objects in JavaScript. Built-in objects are predefined objects that provide useful properties and methods. Common objects: string, number, math, date, array. They simplify complex operations. String and array. String object. It is used to manipulate text. It provides methods for searching and formatting. Array objects. Array objects are used to store multiple values. It provides method for insertion, deletion, and sorting. This object improve data handling efficiency. Math and date objects. Math object is used to perform mathematical operations and provide constant and functions. Date object. Date object is used to handle date and time. It supports time-based applications. It is mainly used in real-time systems and dashboards. Exception handling. Exception handling is used to manage runtime errors gracefully. Key statements: try, catch, finally, and throw. It prevents the attributes termination of the program. Importance of exception handling. Benefits: it improves application stability, it simplifies debugging, it enhances the user experience. Common error type: syntax error, runtime errors, logical errors. Form validation in JavaScript. Validation ensures that user input meets required constraint before submission. Types of validation: client-side validation, server-side validation. JavaScript validation improves security and data accuracy. DHTML, that means dynamic HTML. DHTML is a combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and DOM. It enables dynamic content updates, animations, and interactive user interface. Thank you.